Sometimes we see the rain run down the window pane, complain about the rain, look out and frown and say, away you rain. But then, without the rain, where would we be? Where? Let me explain. The earth needs the rain, the earth drinks in the rain, because without the rain, where would we be? What would the flowers drink? What would we? What would the animals eat? What would we? Where would the fishes swim? Where would we? Where would we all be? So let's retrain our brains, sing a bright and sunny refrain, look out and say we love you, rain, because without the rain, just think, where would we be? We love you, rain!